Hello guys! For today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa RC27 Private Pool para sa aming extended family swimming! Siyempre kasama ang aming dearest papa na napaka-cute. Oh guys, look at the pool. Ayan, napaka-refreshing. Malinis pa siya ngayon. Siguro mamaya puno na yun ang ihi ng mga bata. Charot-charot! Oh, enjoy lang tayo guys ha. Kalimutan muna natin ang stress sa outside world.
Shining, feel the heat. Water's calling, move your feet. Yeah, yeah. Ripples shimmer, oh so clear. Dive right in, leave the fear. Pool days, splashing on that. Ooh yeah, blue waves, feeling so right. Got the groove, no end inside. Pool days under the light. Cannonball, watch me go. Chill vibes, let the rhythm flow. Floating high, the world slows down. In this pool, I'll never drown. Pool days, splashing on that. Blue waves, feeling so right. Let's go, got the groove, no end inside. Pool days under the light.
Drinks on the side, music on blast, live in the moment.
Make it last. Laughter echoes, sky so blue. Pool days magic, just us two. Pool days, splashing all night. Ooh yeah, blue waves, feeling so right. Got the groove, no end inside.
O diba, ang sesaya kapag magkakasama ang buong pamilya. Hanggang sa susunod na banding, ingat palagi pamilya!